You know, it's not the sunrise that you can see coming over the Mediterranean behind me. It's not the blue sky, the gentle breeze, the beautiful quietness of the day. It's not even that this plot I'm standing on right now is available for purchase. It's that it comes with a complete design for a luxury villa, ready to start right now. The building license has been approved and paid for. That means that you could skip one of the most frustrating and time-consuming aspects of building a villa in Spain and get started right away. Hi, my name's John Wolfendale. I'm the founder of Vida Homes. We've helped many international clients successfully design and build their villa in Spain. We've got an architect contractor team, trusted, that work in every region of Spain. They work to our standards, to our protocol, and that means that you get a smooth experience, an enjoyable ride. If you'd like to discuss your project with me, it's free, there's no obligation. You can make an appointment to talk to me directly on my personal diary using the link in the description below. Let me tell you why I am here at sunrise at Rincón de la Victoria, which is about half an hour to the east of Málaga. And it's because it's exactly like this that our clients envisaged waking up every morning and starting their day, with the sunrise in front of them, the beautiful views of the Mediterranean hanging over the Mediterranean, and of course the sunset. It's about lifestyle, it's about enjoying this wonderful climate. This is a lifestyle villa. Unfortunately, circumstances change, and for personal reasons, they can no longer continue with the project. That change in circumstances for them has produced a real opportunity for someone else. By the time a project reaches this stage, hundreds of professional hours have been invested in getting everything right. For this project, the hardest part is behind you. So who is this for? Not everyone. Now, most people think that building a home starts when the contractor gets started, but it doesn't. There's so much to do beforehand. There's finding the right plot, there's evaluating it, there's designing the home, there's all the bureaucracy and applying for the building license and waiting, there's the technical drawings and the specification and all the details that need to be worked out, and the waiting. All that has been done in this case. You can jump right in, get started tomorrow. People think that we design and build villas in Spain. We don't. Our architects and contractors design and build villas. Our job is to remove uncertainty, to help our clients make good decisions from start to finish. You've been dreaming about building a villa in Spain, but you'd rather spend your time choosing the finishes than waiting for the building license. Then maybe this is exactly the opportunity you've been waiting for. Beautiful homes don't happen by accident. They start with a good decision at the very beginning. If you've liked this video, please like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and of course, I will see you in the next video.